The best time to implement an accounting system was actually 3 years ago. But the second best time is today. Bakit 3 years? Kasi dun ka pa lang talaga makakakita ng maayos na comparative financial data eh. First year, inaayos pa yung proseso and kinukumpleto yung data. Taga mo sa bato. Sabog-sabog yan bago tayo mag-umpisa. Bungi-bungi yung income statement, kalas-kalas yung balance sheet. Second year, since may forma na, i-assemble naman yung comparatives. At least may sinusunod ka ng pattern from year 1. But on a third year, you'll start to see trends. May pattern na yung expenses, may pattern na din yung income. Magagamit mo na yung mga monthly and yearly averages para makagawa ka ng budgets, forecasts, and financial plans. So kung saan ang nag-start ka ng gumamit ng maayos na system like Xero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books 3 years ago, may magagamit ka na sanang maayos na data ngayon for financial planning. But don't worry, the second best time to implement is today. Kung magsisimula ka na ngayon, in no time, you'll start seeing a better picture of where your business was, where it is right now, and where is it going. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.